If you have been invited to join a virtual visit, you may have received a link in your email. If you are not enrolled in the health portal, you can join the virtual visit by simply clicking the link in your email shown here. Click on the link, which will take you to your browser. Click Continue. If you would like, you are able to adjust the name displayed on your visit. Click Join Visit. Once I have checked in, I will be brought to the call, and once the provider starts the call, they will appear on the screen. At the bottom of the screen, we have the mute and unmute button, as well as the ability to turn your camera on or off. You may turn on closed captioning or share your screen. By clicking on the three dots here, we have additional options. You can add a guest, switch your camera, change the layout, or adjust your video quality settings if you are having Wi-Fi issues. Once the provider has joined the call, you will see two more buttons. On the right-hand side, you can open up the participant list, including yourself and any added guests. Also on the right-hand side is the chat feature. Once you're done with the call, the clinician can end the call for everybody. Or if you want to leave, you can click on the hang up button and leave call. Thank you for watching. Please contact DH Support Desk at interiorhealth.ca if you have any further questions.